Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can uninstall QR code reader and barcode scanner on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone and I'm going to uninstall this application, or I'm going to remove this application from my Android mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you guys some methods we can try to uninstall this application. The first method, we can uninstall this application from our setting. So we can open up our settings application, and then we're going to go to the app setting or apps menu. Okay, this one. Open up the apps menu and then you can scroll down until you find the QR code reader or barcode scanner. Okay, keep scrolling down until you find the application, or you can go to this search bar and then search for the QR code application. Okay, this one, and then we can simply click on uninstall. And right after you click on uninstall, the application will be removed from your Android mobile phone. Okay, and then the second method you can try is uninstalling the application from Google Play Store. So go to your Play Store application, and then you're going to search for QR code reader or QR code or barcode scanner. Okay, this one. This is the application I have installed on my mobile phone, and if you want to uninstall it, we can simply click on uninstall. Or actually, you can go to your profile here and then go to the manage apps and device. Go to the manage. Okay, and then you can scroll down until you find the QR code right here. Wait, I'm going to search for the application. Okay, it's here guys. We just need to select the application and then we can click on this icon to remove this application from our Android mobile phone. Okay, and then the last method you can try is uninstalling the application from app screen. This is the easiest method. You just need to go to the app screen and then you can tap and hold on the application and then select uninstall, and then the QR code reader and barcode scanner application will be removed from your Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.